Hi, welcome to At Home with Madeleine Lee.
Seen the world from back to front. I walked inside.
Hi, welcome to At Home with Madeleine Lee. Today I'm going to talk about magic. I'm back in the kitchen today and I'm going to make some delicious bread. It takes 5 minutes. It's for being a foodie and being very That's ginger man, we're not talking about meat yet, I'm talking about gluten. It was just plain wood on the steps and I just wanted to do something a little bit different. So what I did is got a load of carvings and as you can see I've stuck them here and then I've dry brushed the wood just to give it more texture. Have you got a spare room somewhere that you're thinking what to do with? I've got a really good idea. Why don't you turn it into a craft room?
Amazing. Here I've got the darling Ivory and walla, and she's going to tell you what the inspiration for this collection was.
I'm going to be a good twelve.
When I'm lost, would you carry me home? And when I'm tired, would you put me on your back? Yeah. Sometimes I feel you watching me, but other times I feel